Hello everyone, let's look at the best 5 nuts and seeds that are a must for healthy and glowing skin. It's known since ages that nuts and seeds are extremely beneficial for your health, but recent studies have proved that they are also beneficial for skin health. I usually add a limited quantity of nuts and seeds to my daily diet as it is very healthy, tasty, easy to carry and consume. I'm at Souk Waqif right now in Qatar where we can find wide varieties of nuts and seeds, and also the shopping experience here is at another level because of its traditional build up and reflects the cultural heritage of the state of Qatar. Welcome you all to Salingist and let's go in detail. The fats, fibers, and protein content in nuts and seeds make them nourish the skin cells and thus give you a softer, clearer, and glowing skin. Yes, these are yummy and crunchy power foods are also found as ingredients in many skin creams and lotions. The winter care cosmetics have the oils of nuts and seeds that keep the skin super soft and moistured. This underrated, nutritious snacks deserves our attention from almond, walnut, pistachio, and cashew. All of them have something special to offer for our skin. These nuts are packed with healthy vitamins and minerals like copper, zinc, vitamin A, C, and E, among others, that aid in a glowing, smoother looking skin. So, if you haven't already added these nuts in your daily diet, do it as soon as possible to get a naturally glowing and healthy skin. Almond. Almond used almost everywhere, from savories to snacks and desserts. After all, they are packed with essential fatty acids, proteins, and fibers. Almonds also provide vitamin E that keeps the blood vessels dilated in order to keep the skin hydrated and further defend the skin against certain disorders like acne, eczema, and dark spots. It's a time honored fact that almonds are good for skin. It has loaded of fiber, fatty acid, and protein that helps to promote a healthy and glowing skin. Soak few almonds in water the night before, peel off the nuts in the morning, and have them empty stomach to heap the health benefit like improved blood circulation, heart health, and reducing the swelling and inflammation. Almond also treats skin disorders like psoriasis. Although almonds are very healthy, they are also high in fat and calories. If you are munching on almond at every meal, you might want to reconsider because each ounce has 163 calories and 14 grams of fat. The recommended serving of almond according to a 1 ounce per day system is about 23, which makes sense if you consider that 3 ounces of almond would add almost 500 calories of your daily intake. That isn't just the case for whole nut, it remains true for almond flour and almond butter as well. Cashews. Cashews are known as acne fighting nutrients. These nuts are high in selenium, which act as antioxidants with vitamin E, leaving a hydrated skin and reduce the inflammation. The presence of zinc promotes the immune function for healing and cell growth that can renew and replenish infected or damaged acne or pimple zones. Cashews are deliciously creamy, which makes them great sauce substitute but also makes them very addictive. Weight management expert Dr. Gauchi Sharma says that we should eat only 4 to 5 cashews a day. Pistachios are best known for weight control, but they are also filled with heart healthy fats that promote good cholesterol. The antioxidant in pistas helps decrease acne growth by controlling the blood sugar levels that circulate the acne causing hormone androgen. For pistachios, it's recommended that you eat 1 to 2 handfuls a day because they are pretty high in calories. These ounces will cost you about 400 calories. Always be careful about how the pistachios are served, or any nuts for that matter. Pistachios by themselves do not contain very much sodium, but if you are eating a couple handful of salted nuts, you your sodium intake will be shooting up. Walnuts. This nuts is also needed for good skin health, so include walnuts in your diet and see the magic. The ample health benefits offered by these nuts include uplifting mood, fighting depression, improving the brain health, nervous system, and so on. The fatty acid content in walnut is the prime factor why it is recommended for skin glow. Vitamin B is also present in walnut that promote the skin health. It reduces stress and thus helps you happy and wrinkle free. Walnut have a million health benefit, so if you are not already incorporating them into your diet, you should definitely start it. They have proven to be beneficial in treating type 2 diabetes and reducing the risk of cancer. Of course, you don't want to overdo it. 7 whole shell nuts is the recommended amount of walnut per day. The side effect of eating too many walnut can be bloating or loosened stool, both of which don't sound very pleasant, so it's best to limit yourself. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, pumpkin seeds are rarely known as beauty enhancer, but it is. Pumpkin seeds are highly packed in zinc, magnesium, and vitamin E, all three elements needed for healthy and beautiful skin. It is especially known to fight the aging effect on the skin like wrinkles and sagging. This seeds also helps to fight off bacteria that leads to breakout of acne. It is a powerful antioxidant that repair the skin and promote the skin cell growth. You can use these seeds in roasted form or also use it as a face pack post grinding. Because seeds are so nutrient dense, you don't need to eat that many to heap the benefits. The exact serving size varies depending on what kind of seed you are eating, but a good general guideline is to aim for a 200 calories serving, that is 2 tablespoons a day. Brazil nuts. Power packed with omega 3 fatty acid, these nuts are a great source of selenium, which is responsible for improving the skin elasticity and relieving the inflammation like pimples and acne. It also reduces the growth of free radical and keeps the skin hydrated thanks to the production of glutathione that is known to keep your skin healthy. Brazil nuts are probably the easiest to overeat, but we have to limit its quantity to 2 per day. That's right, just 2. And some people even recommend just eating 1. Brazil nuts are high in selenium, and too much selenium can cause brittle hair and nails. If you want to receive the maximum benefits from nuts, then it's advised to consume them in the morning. Consuming nuts along with breakfast can help you ward off fatigue and smoothly regulate the blood pressure in your body. Experts suggest that nuts and dry foods are one of the healthiest snack options around. How much is too much? Studies shows that health benefits of nut consumption use reasonable amounts, usually not more than 60 grams, that is 2 ounces, which is a large handful of nuts per day. This is where you might run into problem with roasted and salted nuts. They taste too good and most people can't eat them in moderation naturally. Raw nuts are better than salted and deep toasted nuts. The American Heart Association recommended eating 4 that is 1.5 ounce, that is 1 handful servings of unsalted unoiled nuts per week, and the US Food and Drug Administration says that eating 1.5 ounces of nuts per day may reduce the risk of heart disease. Yes, nuts have very positive impact on the body, but the quantity does matter. It should be approximately around 20 to 25 nuts per day, which you can divide according to different timing and intervals. If we consume excessive quantity, gas, bloating and digestive issues may occur. If you are eating too much fat, which is found abundantly in nuts in a short period of time, can lead to diarrhea. Most of us don't stick to recommended daily serving size, noting that a handful is a good rough measure for the right serving, that is 1 by 4th cup. You want to be mindful of how many nuts you are eating per day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful to you all. Stay tuned with Challenges for more videos on health tips. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. I would love to see your valuable comments in my comment box. Signing off, Salina. Bye bye. See you in the next video.